Hi everybody, this is Sheila. Welcome back to the Crocheters channel. Since I seen you last, I have been to Joann. So today what I'd like to do is go over a yarn haul from Joann's with you. If you like this kind of content, please hit the subscription button down below and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be informed when I have upcoming videos. So let's get to it. So I went to Joann's last week and they had a sale that was going on, of course, and they kept sending me these IMs and various things wanting me to come in. I'm like, okay, I'm coming in. I had not been to Joann's in quite some time and I really wanted to go in and just mill around and look at things, and it's exactly what I did. I typically don't spend forever and forever in Joann's. I go right in, head right to the yarn, get what I want, notions aisle, whatever it's going to be, and get out. This time I kind of hung around, looked at a lot of different things, and just wanted to enjoy the experience of being in a store first time for a long time. So anyway, of course, I still only bought yarn, but you know how it goes. Anyway, so let's get going. And I'm going to share with you what I purchased. So the first item that I purchased was actually a yarn that's pretty familiar to most people, but it's one that I've not used yet. I've seen it a lot and I've heard people talk about it a lot. I've just not used it yet because I thought it was too expensive actually. And it's actually Lion Brand Comfy Cotton Blend. And this color here that I have in front of me it looks like a really dark, very pretty blue, but it's called Spectrum. I got these were on sale. Usually these go for $7.99 a piece, and they were buy two and get one free. And I got six. I got four of the Spectrum, of the blue, and then I got a couple in different color. Here we go, let me grab that. And this is a pretty blue, kind of a blend, tweed type of a thing. And this is called Ocean Breeze. Okay. My plan around with these actually is, because they are a 50-50 cotton poly blend, my plan is actually to make a couple summer tops, and based on my calculation, it'll take me 3 of these balls to make myself a summer top. So I got 6, so I could probably make 2 tops for them. So when I look at things like this and going to make a craft, what I want to figure out is how much it costs, and I like to share that information with you guys as well. For those out there who make things and then sell them, it's helpful, and then also for folks who are trying to figure out pricing points, it's helpful. So anyway, these were originally $7.99 each. They were on sale again, buy 2 and get 1 free, and so my cost per was $5.33. If I had paid regular price for these, and like I say, they're kind of expensive, it would have cost me $2.03 per 100 yards for this. And so it would have cost $24 to make the top. Now, with it being buy two get 1 free, it ended up my cost per yard, or per 100 yards, was $1.36 for the 392 yards that are in each skein. So it's a much better price point. Still not great. We can have other yarns that are more of a better price point. But I did want to try this because this cotton blend is quite soft, much softer than Peaches and Cream. So I absolutely want to give it a try. But that's what the price point is. This thing does come in 20 different colors. Really digging the blue and the Ocean Breeze. There's ones that come like the red for like rainbows. Not much of a fan. Anyway, so that was that. So next up, like I said to you, I was milling around different places, and I went back to their clearance section. And I didn't realize this until I was there this time, that they actually have a separate area for additional clearance. Well, I got lucky. And what I found was Caron Simply Soft. So they had a huge rack of Caron Simply Soft. And so I grabbed, I think it was 12 of these. And for those who are not aware, Caron Simply Soft, it comes in 313 yards, It is 100% polyester, very soft yarn, size 4. This color here is considered Jupiter. That's what they're calling this color here, is colored Jupiter. Okay. Typically for Caron Simply Soft, if you buy them at Joann's, regular price is $4.99 for these. If I look at, and which makes it $1.59 per 100 yards. Walmart and when Joann has them on sale, it's roughly around $3.25 per skein, which makes it $1.03 per 100 yards. However, as you probably saw when I held it up, I paid $2 per skein, and that is actually equivalent to what we were paying for Spin Right last year. So $2 per skein, which was a fantastic deal, and I hope they have this at the Joann's where you guys are at, which makes it 63 cents per 100 yards. I got it in, I have like a half a dozen, and the Jupiter color, and I didn't roll them all out here. And then look at this, guys. Plum. Isn't that beautiful? That is gorgeous color. It's got a nice sheen to it. I have not decided what I'm going to make with this yet. Definitely going to be for something for the fall. And you guys, everybody knows I love purple and I love green, so this was like right in my wheelhouse. I was thrilled to see this deep, deep purple. It's going to be perfect. Like I say, I got about half a dozen of each. So if I'm going to make something for these guys, we're at 313 yards. Same premise as my other. Probably need 3 skeins to make a top. Maybe 4. We're talking 60, 120. Pretty cheap here. We're talking under $5, or 2, 4, 6, probably $6 to make something. Between $5 and $6, killer deal. Which means this would be something to purchase, and if you're going to create it, do it at a craft show, something sellable. So that's the second item that I got. All right, next up. You guys know from last year when they closed AC Moore that I started doing comparison between Michaels and Big Twist. In fact, I'll put that up above, somewhere up there, to show you that video where I did that comparison. But I did pick up some more Big Twist because Big Twist was on sale for $1.50 a skein. Great deal. And I wanted to pick up some bright red. Look at that red. I generally don't purchase red, but I wanted it this time because we're coming up to July 4th. So I got a bright red and a blue. This is color Varsity Blue. This is Varsity Red. That's the colors, but look at them together. I mean, we've got 4th of July coming up, so I wanted to grab some of those. And then I also grabbed some sky blue. Now, for those who are not aware, have not been to Joann's, this yarn is actually really nice to work with. It's comparable to AC Moore's. And you can see when looking at there, it is truly a 4. This skein is 380 yards is what this is. And because it was on sale for $1.50, it's basically 40 cents per 100 yards. Killer deal. So if you're wanting to make something, this is absolutely a fantastic deal. And so they had 16 of the colors up on the racks this time. Not every time they do, but this time they really did have a lot of the colors. I already have a lot of the white and of course the greens, so I already have those. I just didn't have any red and the various shades of the blues, so I picked those up this time. And they do seem to have the sale over there quite often for this. All right, so like I say, I picked up these and I'm going to see what I'm going to make something for July 4th. I haven't decided what that's going to be, but I will be making that shortly, and I'll probably post that when I make that. For the Lion Brand Comfy Cotton, like I shared with you, I'm thinking on the top, I'm thinking some shells. I'm I'm still thinking of the design on that. When I make that, I'll show that for you guys as well, so you can kind of see that. And of course, who doesn't love Caron Simply Soft? I'll make some decisions on that upcoming. But that is what I had to share with you today. I wanted to, it's not a huge haul, but it's certainly enough to keep me busy for a little while, making a couple tops, making some July 4th items, and those items that I think you'd want to see, I'll certainly share those with you. Okay? All right. Well, that's what I had to share with you today. Again, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell, so that way you'll be informed when I have things upcoming. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day.